Hello, everyone. Greetings, dear traders, dear investors. How is everybody doing? Are you guys ready for some trading today? My name is Angie, and today we are going to go over and we are going to trade with the diving strategy. My friends, please let me know who has tried this strategy before. And if you have tried it before, please let me know which indicators form this strategy. Once again, the diving strategy. Now, I do want to make sure that everything is good with the sound and the picture, so please give me a shout out in chat. And also, before we dive into the strategy and while I'm waiting for your replies, I do want to remind you to please make sure, my friends, take a second and make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel so that you don't ever miss out on any of our webinars or videos. And ring on the notifications bell. And of course, you do want to visit our social networks. My friends, while I'm waiting for you in chat, I do have one more highlight for you, which is a really cool new feature on the platform, which is that you can now easily share your trades on social networks. So all you have to do is go to the trade section, to the closed trades, and click on the share the trades button. Now right now I don't have my social networks activated on this computer, but here in the pull-up window you should see all of the different options for the different social networks where you can share. So I think this is really cool that you can share your success at the click of one button. All right, so let me go ahead and see how everybody's doing. IK Singh was first. Hello. Mountain Pablo, hello from Hunza, Pakistan. I remember you from before. Indra Kumar, hello. Okay, all is clear. Thank you so much for that confirmation. I don't see anybody saying that they've used this strategy before or what indicators are formed in this strategy. All right, so once again, so this diving strategy is going to be based on 3 indicators. Okay, it's going to be a simple moving average. Everybody should be familiar with moving averages by now. If you're not, no worries. We have plenty of videos and tutorials on that. So we're going to be using the simple moving average with a period of 20, and 2 of the same indicators is going to be the rate of change, ROC, momentum oscillators with different settings, which is 7 and 14. By the way, my friends, I do want to mention that this strategy is actually available for accounts that start with the advanced status and expert. But what you can do is you can also subscribe to this strategy in the Olymp Trade market, where you can choose from a whole list, an entire list of different strategies, interesting and profitable. You can subscribe for 1 month, you can subscribe for 3 and 6 and or up to a year. The longer the subscription, of course, the cheaper the subscription is going to be. So since I do have the expert status, so what you have to do is you just go to the indicators, you go to trading strategies, and we're going to add the diving strategies. Okay, all you have to do is click on enable the strategy. And by the way, all of these strategies that you view in the market as well, you can actually click on this video right here and see a quick tutorial on how it works before you decide if you want to acquire it or not. So as you can see, I didn't have any indicators on my chart, but when I enable a certain strategy from the strategies list, all of the other indicators are deleted and all the strategy indicators are applied automatically with the correct settings. So you never have to worry about, oh, what's the different settings and all that stuff. So for this strategy, we are going to be looking at the 1-minute time frame. I know you guys like fast trades on the FTT trading mode, of course, and we're going to trade with a trade duration between 2 to 4 minutes, so times 2 or times 4, our working time frame. So I'll probably stay in the range of 2 to 3 minutes. Now, as far as the moving average is going to be displayed right here. It's this blue line that follows the price chart, with, as you can see right here, with a period of 20. So the signal that we're going to be looking for is for the price to either be above or below the moving average, which is going to show us the general direction of the trend. But additionally, what I will be looking for is a cross of the price and the moving average, either up or down. I think that this will intensify our signal which is actually a very common signal when working with moving averages. A cross of the price and the moving average often means that the trend direction is changing during a trending market, my friends, because remember that during a flat, let me show you. Well, this is kind of like a flat, although we're kind of moving down. Let me see if I can see a better flat. This is a flat. We're just moving sideways right here. Let me make it a little bit bigger so you can see. Whoops. So I just wanted to remind you that during a flat, the moving average is generally going to be intertwined with with the price movement. Alrighty, so that's as far as the moving average goes, and as far as the second two indicators is the rate of change. Now, this is a momentum oscillator, which basically measures the percentage in change between the current price and the price a certain period ago. So in our case, remember that we're going to have a rate of change with a period of 7 and a period of 14. So so the rate of change is going to be compared to the price 7 and 14 periods ago. So in our case, since we're looking at the 1 minute time frame, the rate of change is going to compare the current price with the price 7 minutes ago and 14 minutes ago. Okay. Another thing that we can notice is that, I hope that you can see this right here, is that the first ROC, the 7 ROC, the faster rate of change, is displayed as an area chart, this blue shaded area, and the 14 ROC, the slower rate of change, is displayed as a histogram. By the way, let me just show you, my friends, in the settings right here of different oscillators, if you click right here, you can change the period, but you can also, there's a little arrow right here, you can change the way that they are displayed. So you can have a line, you can have a histogram, you can have an area, or you can have dots. And you can change this for, I think, for most of the oscillators. So here we're going to keep the area. Just an FYI if you're not sure where to find this. So with the rate of change, the ROC, we are mainly going to focus on the middle line, this middle line right here. Then this is the 0 line, okay, the 0 mark of the indicator. On the 7 ROC, if the indicator, so this one right here, if the indicator, the blue shadow, is above the 0 line, in other words, if it's positive, then generally the price is on the rise. The price is on the rise. I like that I'm rhyming. And likewise, if the ROC is negative, if it's below the 0 line, below the middle line, then the price is generally falling. On the 14 ROC with the histogram, what we're going to look for is for the histogram to cross the 0 line, either up or down. So the first bar to appear below the 0 line, or for the first bar to appear above the 0 line. So altogether, we are going to look for 3 simultaneous signals. I do have an example right here for you. Let me just delete this. So as far as the 3 simultaneous signals, for up trades, we want to see the price cross the moving average from the bottom up or be above the price. We want the 7 ROC, the fast one with the blue shadows, to be above the 0 mark. And likewise, on the 14 ROC, we want to see the first bar appear above the 0 mark. So right here, here's a good example. The price has crossed the simple moving average up. The shadow is blue, and you see that the first, let me just make this bigger, the first histogram has appeared above the 0 line. Likewise, we have a scenario to the downside for down trades. Okay, so similar scenario, the price has crossed the moving average to the downside. The shadow is blue, the shadow is blue clearly. The blue shadow has crossed the 0 line from top to bottom, and likewise the first bar on the histogram has appeared below the 0 mark. Now, additionally, you can also consider signals if the histogram is for example, increasing, like there is bullish or there's bearish momentum. But these are the signals that I just explained are basically the main signals that we are going to focus on for today. I do want to mention that on Thursday at this same time, you can join our VIP analysts, and they are going to spend a whole hour trading with the diving strategy, and they're going to show you many, many examples. Today, I want to show you how it works, and obviously right now, we're going to look for some signals. Let's see here. Let's see here. I'm not going to scroll too much in here. I do see a lot of hellos. Boom, Kenya, Jam, Mburu. Hello, hello. Thanks for remembering, Madam Mountain Pablo. Not a problem. Legend forever. FF, take my name. Legends lover. FF. Hello, hello. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna continue right now. If you have any questions, please go ahead and ask them in chat. I do have my colleagues who are helping me reply. If I don't cover your questions, my friends, please do send them or write them in the comments below, in the comments section below this video once the video is posted. Alrighty, so now let's go ahead and look for some signals. Once again, we are using the diving strategy. We're looking at the 1 minute time frame. The trade duration is going to be between 2 and 4 minutes. And let's go. All right, let's start with some higher. Well, up, look at that. Gonna go for, I don't like that. I don't like this level of support, but I am going to go down. As you can see, the price has crossed the moving average down. The shadow is blue, and it's, keep saying that it's blue, is below the zero line, and the first red bar appeared below the zero mark. Actually, yeah, it's the first one. It looks like the first one. Alrighty, that's Euro AUD. Looking at the 1 minute time frame. Euro CAD. No, don't see a signal. And my friends, if you guys see a signal, but please look at the 1 minute time frame. If you guys see a signal, please go ahead and send the currency pair in chat and or the asset in chat, and we'll look at it for you together. Alrighty, so EuroCAD, nothing, I don't see. Well, the basic dollar index, as you can see, the only problem that I'm having is that the shadow, the blue, my favorite shadow, is above the zero mark. Let's keep an eye on that for now. It just does look like a downtrend, but this hasn't reversed. All right, we'll come back to that. We'll see what happens to that. Euro GBP. Now, remember I told you that, you know, for some signals you can consider like when the histogram is growing, but the only thing that's stopping me one more time right here is this, the 7 ROC. All right, Bitcoin. My favorite volatile Bitcoin. Who likes to trade Bitcoin, my friends? All right, see, well, the reason I like this is that, you know, the histogram is growing, the shadow is above the zero line. I've minimized the trade amount here, so because I wasn't too sure about it, I didn't like that level of support in the previous trade. I think we can try this as well, although the histogram is dropping a little bit. Okay, we'll come back to that. For gold, gold has crossed the SMA down. Euro AUD did not go through, my friends, did not go through. Ideally, after a drop like this, we do want to see a little bit more of a correction before we continue down. So maybe we'll come back to gold as well. Shivam Kur Hekar, please tell me more about Forex using diving. So basically, you would have exactly the same parameters. Okay, my friends. All right, we're all good. We're online. We're online. As if you are experiencing big amounts of losses, how to recover. We do have a lot of videos that are dedicated to this. So I would probably say, first of all, check those videos out. And secondly, return back to your demo account, practice more, find out what went wrong, reanalyze the situation, reanalyze your trading strategies, and then when you feel comfortable, when you have consistent positive results on the demo account, then you can start back with your live account. Alrighty, let's see. I want to see those crosses that I was talking to you about. So I'm just gonna kind of go through these fast. Oh, just changed my chart type. Kind of flat, kind of flat. Looking at the 1 minute time frame, I'm not seeing a lot of signals. Let's see. What did Bitcoin do? Bitcoin went through Euro, oops, that's the wrong one. Euro AUD did not go through. Let's see what happened to it. Oh, look at that. It was a good trade. I should have went for a higher time, like 3 minutes. Ouch. That hurts. Let's see if we are kind of going down. I'm going to try this for 3 minutes. Let's see if I can recover this. Yeah. Alrighty, so I'm going to try that out. Where did I stop here? I was somewhere on AUD, CHF. Jarrell is asking, can the next live session be the rodeo strategy? We'll definitely keep that in mind. But if you go on our YouTube channel and just enter rodeo into the search on our official channel, you can find some more trading sessions with that strategy. Alrighty, let's see here. Don't mind me that I'm being quiet. Everything is fine with the sound. I'm just looking for some signals for this specific strategy. Okay, looking at copper. Hello, Gurav. Hello, Gurav. The price, okay. The price has intersected the simple moving average up. The shadow is above the zero line. The histogram, I'm going to go with the 3 minutes again. Up trade. Oh, look at that. That bar appeared below the zero mark. Oh no, oh no. Let's see how that goes. I think I went for 3 minutes. Let's look at Euro JPY. And the picture does change very quickly on the 1 minute time frame. So basically you can go through the list and then you can go through the list again and catch some signals. I just don't know. I kind of like this trade. But to the upside. I'll go for 2 minutes. Okay, because why did I enter this trade? Because we are above the moving average. The shadow is above the zero line. The histogram is pretty big. We had two big momentum candles, came back for a little retest, and let's hope. I do want to see the price continues to rise, but the only thing that I didn't like is this level of resistance right here that we're trying to break. So I have 3 trades right now. Euro AUD, was that the first one that yeah, that was the first one that did not go through for me, and I tried it again. Let's see what's going on with it. No, it just went up. Alrighty, that's not a problem. But Euro CHF and Euro NZD is so far looking good. Let's see what else we can find. That was Euro NZD that I think I stopped at. Alrighty. How many minutes should we open our trades for? If you're looking at the we are looking at the FTT trading mode, then whatever time frame you are working with, the trade duration should be ×2 or ×3 the working time frame. For this, for example, for this strategy, the trade duration should the time frame is ideally 1 minute and the trade duration 2 to 4 minutes. So times two or times three the working time frame. This is the general recommendation. Alrighty, let's see. FTSE 100. Give me some. Give me some. Give me GBP AUD. Did we try this already? Okay, once again, the price is crossing the moving average up. Shadows above, and we have that first bullish Euro NZD is good. That first and second bullish histogram. That's GBP AUD, GBP CAD. Euro CHF was also positive. Why did I enter this trade? Because the price has broken above the simple moving average. It's coming back for a retest of the simple moving average. The shadow is above the zero line, and likewise we see growth on the histogram of the older, the 14 ROC. Alrighty, GBP and ZD, a little Litecoin. NASDAQ. Well, NZD CAD, I just don't know. I do have the... well, I'm only using $10, which is like very little percentage of my... Yeah, should have gone with it. Let's go for 2 minutes. We'll try it. We are going to try it. NZD CAD. Let's see what's going on here. We have 3 trades. NZD CAD is at that zero. It really does look really, really flat, the NZD CAD. GBP CHF and GBP AUD. Let me go with another one. What's going on with NZD CAD? You see how the price is just, this is really more of a trend indicator, like a trending indicator. And I just see it's just flat here. How much time do I have here? 1 minute 38 seconds. All right, let's see what's going to happen. Aye. I'm trying to break this level of support. Alrighty, let me see what else I can find here. GBP and ZD. I do hope that you can understand the concept. Okay, so the price is breaking this down. All I want to see is a bearish histogram. It has appeared. Let's go down. Try that for 2 minutes. But I do hope that you will see the idea of the strategy. So the price breaks the moving average either down or up, or it can already be either above or below the moving average, which kind of gives us the main trend direction. And 2 rate of change oscillators that are either below or above the zero line. Jarabi Poleni, the next trading live session is going to be, so with a diving strategy, you can join our live, VIP analyst this Thursday at this same time, and they're going to spend a whole hour, close to an hour trading with this specific strategy. And then next week, and then next week we are going to join me or Yaroslav next Tuesday at this same time, this same place, for the triple rebound strategy. So every week we are going to go over different strategies with you on Tuesdays. And we do have a lot of interesting video releases that are coming up, so you do want to make sure that you are subscribed and tuned in. Okay, so this one does look good. That is GBP and ZD. What's GBP CHF? Oh my goodness. No. I do like this retest. I don't like that bullish histogram, but I want to see if this is a break and a retest and a drop down. Let's see. This is probably going to be the last trade for me for today. Seems like I'm losing my voice a little bit. Draw Ronnie. Okay, thank you so much. Let's see. Are there any other questions that I missed for today? My friends, if you are losing money, the main question, the main answer that I have for you is continue learning, continue practicing, and gaining more and more experience. Let's see here, Mehta. It says trading signals at $10 per month. How do they give the signals and how many per day? If you are talking about the trading strategy signals, basically the subscription will last for a month and you can use this automatic strategy section for as much as you like. Yeah, I still have these two purchased. Yeah, Daval, yes, I do agree with you. The market does seem to be kind of in a flat, not the most ideal trading conditions. But the market is going to, the United States market is going to open very soon. So right before the market opens and during the trading session where the British, the United Kingdom exchange, the London exchange, excuse me, and the American sessions intertwine. Well, my friends, 20 seconds to go. In the meantime, while I'm waiting for the trade to complete, I'm going to remind you one more time to please make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. You don't want to miss these live releases and our videos that are coming up. And of course, I do want to remind you, if you like this, my lesson, please give me a thumbs up. It really does matter. And of course, ring on the notifications bell. And of course, visit our social networks. There's so much action going on Facebook and on Instagram. It's a lot of fun. It's very interesting. So please join us. My friends, my name, once again, my name is Angie, and today's webinar was on the diving strategy, which is based on 3 indicators: the simple moving average with the period of 20, and likewise 2 rate of change oscillators with different period settings. Once again, my friends, thank you so much for tuning in. I really enjoyed seeing all of you. I hope that you enjoyed my lesson. Join us on this Thursday and next Tuesday for more live trading webinars using different strategies. Once again, my name is Angie, and I'll be seeing you next time. Bye-bye.